Number 20 says, in Oscar's monthly budget, each category is assigned a certain percentage of his monthly income. Oscar's monthly income is $2,250, and it has all these percentages on what he is spending. It says which is not supported by the information, so that's important. It's capitalized, it may not be bolded. F says Oscar puts $360 of his monthly income into savings. So if I look at savings, obviously it doesn't give me a money answer here, so I need to figure out what is 16% of my budget, 2,250. Remember, of means to multiply, and if I'm dealing with percents, I'm going to be changing it into a decimal. So I'm going to take 2,250 and multiply by 0.16. If you need grid paper, it is attached. Let me see if I need to turn this light on. Ooh, that's crazy. Okay, maybe that's a little bit better. I don't know. Perhaps. Okay. So anyway, grid paper's on the back. If you need it, tear it out and use it. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 2 is 12. That's 15. That's 12 plus 1 is 13. Okay. Add a 0. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. 0, 5. That's 10. 6 and 3. So 2 numbers after my decimal, which means I also need 2 numbers after my decimal in my answer. This one says Oscar puts $360. That's exactly $360. So that's a true statement. It's not what we're looking for, so it's not the right answer. The next statement says less than $900 of Oscar's monthly income is for his house payment and life insurance. This means we're adding these together. So house payment was 35%. Life insurance is 3%. So adding these gives me 38%. So the question is, does 900 represent 38%? Well, let's check. Again, I'm going to take my monthly budget of $2,250 and multiply by that 38%. So times 0.38. 8 and 0, that's 40, 16, 20, 18. Add a 0, 3 times 0, 3 times 5, 6 plus 1 is 7, and 6. We're adding 15, 8. 2 numbers after my decimal, so I need 2 numbers here. This one says less than 900. Is 855 less than 900? It is, which means it's not the right answer because that's a true statement. We're looking for the one that's not supported. And then Oscar budgets $485 of his monthly income for telephone, utilities, and emergencies. So telephone is 5%, utilities is 6%, and emergencies is 11%. So we're adding these together. That gives me 22%. One more time, well, maybe 2 more times, we'll see. It's 22% of my budget. So let's see, where am I going to put this work? We'll squeeze it over here. 2,250 times 0.22, 0, 10, 4 plus 1 is 5, and 4, add a 0. 2 times 0 is 0, that's 10. 4 plus 1 is 5, and 4. Adding 5, 9, and 4. 2 numbers here after my decimal. That means 2 numbers in my answer. Ooh, okay, Oscar budget's $485. I got $495. Ooh, I better double check that and make sure I did that right. Actually, I don't want to check it. I'm going to put a check mark here, but I'm going to solve this one. More than $530 is for his car payment. Car payment was 17.5%. And his car insurance was 6.5%. That's what, 24%? Okay, so 24%. Did I do one already that was 24? No. But, yeah, I have to solve this one. Okay, we're going to do it one more time, this multiplication. Okay, this would be one of those questions where I'd be like, okay, my brain's tired. I probably want to skip it and move on. So keep that in mind. No harm, no foul. $2,250 times 0.24. 0, 20, 8, 9, 10, 8, 9. 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5, and 2 times 2 is 4. Again, stay organized because there's a lot going on here. 0, 14, that's 5. 2 numbers after my decimal, 2 numbers after my decimal. This one says more than $530, and that is more than $530. So yes, it's got to be H. Very good. Lots of work, but again, skip it to the end.